Long before we built laboratories, nature had already perfected them. A tree may look solid from the outside, but its real strength isn't in the bark. It's in something far smaller. Inside the bark are millions of plant cells, and surrounding every one of them is a cell wall. Unlike the cells of the human body, plant cells build an extra layer outside the cell membrane, made mostly of cellulose, one of the strongest natural polymers on Earth. Think of it as a nature's engineering framework. The cell wall doesn't just protect the cell, it decides the shape of the cell. It allows water to build pressure inside it. And that pressure is called turgor pressure. So the next time you lean against a tree, remember, a tree doesn't stand because it's big. It's big because billions of tiny cells stand together. But the learning didn't stop there. Curious minds wanted to know if plant cell walls could be seen in something as ordinary as a tomato. So they peeled its skin, placed it under a microscope, and discovered the answers themselves. At Prayoga, we don't take science out into the world. We simply show it was there all along beyond the lab.